a good night's sleep in under 10 minutes. Take out all the part boxes to set up the bed frame. Tighten bed legs to the screw through the triangular brace. You can adjust the bed legs to your desired height. Connect the controller to the power supply. Press the head up and foot up buttons on the remote at the same time and hold. Then, press the small button located at the side of the control box. Once an indication tone is heard, your pairing is successful. Insert retainer bars at the bottom of the bed frame. Unbox and place the shrunken mattress on the bed frame. Cut it open and let it inflate.